So welcome back guys. So this is our final outcome of a project. So this is landing page. The project title is Biscuit Quality Inspection with by using YOLO. Okay, and we made some catchy title we inserted here. So if we make YOLO means, so it's like common with the title, right? So we made some catchy title. So this is the landing page, and to implement this project we use a backend programming language as Python. For frontend we use the Flask Framework, HTML and CSS, and for database we use that XAMPP MySQL. Okay, so this is the landing page. So here we are going to make a disclose of that title name and what are the features we have in this. So each and everything we are going to add in this page. So we have three types of biscuit: Mary biscuit, Monaco and Parle-G. So these are three types of biscuits we have. Okay, and now we are going to make a first sign in, and I'm going to make a create a user and password length minimum 6 and create account. So here successfully we created the account. So this is the dashboard of a user. So till now we didn't did any kind of detections because we created a new, and we can check in view analysis as well, nothing is there. Okay, because why? Because till now we didn't did any kind of detection. So history also nothing is there. Okay, now we can go to detect, and once we start the camera, so it will make take access of webcam, and it will predict automatically. And for this I already took out some biscuits from about the biscuits like Monaco, Parle-G and Mary biscuits I brought, and I'm going to show that real-time data, so whether it is going to make correct prediction or not. So here it started a webcam. So now we start with so here, so we are going to make correct display of that cam and all, and we are going to make a display of that. So here we are going to display biscuit. So and we can make a so Parle-G broken already shown here, and we can change the timeout also. Okay, now we are going to make a Parle-G. So it's Parle-G good. So we have to place correctly because so we have to make that uh, webcam clear. Okay, it's Parle-G good. It will take a few seconds of time up to that. So it's instantly, it's taking the real time back to back, right? So that's why it's taking a in the span of 700 milliseconds every time it's going to make a check with that what we got. Okay, so this is showing a burnt of a if we are going to make display correctly, so it's a Monaco burnt. Okay, and now we are going to make a display of biscuit of Mary good. So it's a good. So we are going to make display in front of this correctly. So it's a Mary good. And now I'm going to make burnt of that Parle-G now. So I will take the Parle-G, right? I'm going to make a burnt of this. Okay, so let's try this how it's going to check. So we are going to place it correctly in front of cam. So here again the clarity is not good. So we have to make a burnt of this. Okay, wait. Yeah. So we made a burnt of the biscuit now. So this is the Parle-G burnt. It's going to display clearly. And now we are going to make a stop camera. And we have a doubt like so how it's going to make it work as a real time, because so in real time when you are going to make a place the cam, so when the conveyor belt moves it will automatically detect. So no need to here make the things correct. Okay, and now we can see history what we had made predictions in this. Okay, so how many good we have burned, good, broken, so everything is predicted correctly. Total 23 36 records we have, and we can see the analysis here. So based on the predictions what we have done, so here we got a 15 good items as well as 8 burnt as well as broken 13. Okay, and in overall so total scans is about 36. In that we have a good biscuits around 18, sorry 15, and this is the overall uh, charts and graphs. So how much which brand it is, which and everything it's going to display here correctly. So if you want means we can detect like I took some pictures, I clicked some pictures in my mobile of the real items. and we can check with that also whether it is how it's going to work and all. But maybe the clarity mismatch, I think so, but it will also predict clearly, so we have to know, we have to place that clearly. See, because here there is no clear cut clarity, see, so we have to place that clearly, and I'm going to change that, so it's a broken, it's a burnt, so you can easily see that it's a burnt. Okay, so like this also it's going to work correctly without any issues. Okay, now again we can check the analysis. See, burnt, we got one more extra burnt. Previously we got 8, now it's 9. And good, previously 15, now it's 18. Okay, and now in dashboard we can overall see, so what is going to be, so how many quality, so how many burnt, overall it's going to show us how many are there we did. Okay, recent detections and all. So this is the final outcome of a project.